Welcome to day 21. We're gonna look at some recipes today to start off the day. It's raining, that's good. We have lots of, a light breeze, expect lots of pollen. Okay, tomorrow's gonna be good. They're very happy. We're gonna open up a lot of geodes today, hopefully. Queen of sauce, this week's dish. Radish salad, thank you. I didn't want to read it. So, yesterday we got quite a few items. Turns vegetables into pickles and fruit into jam. I want to try turning these into jam. The salmon berries into salmonberry jam. I need to figure out some way... Pine tar? Jesus, that looks like a terrible recipe. But... okay. I need to figure out how to get more sap, and I'm guessing it's from trees somehow, but I don't know. Okay, so what I'm looking for is, so basic fertilizer, I guess. I should probably work towards a crab pot as well. I need more chests probably pretty soon. Don't really care about mayonnaise quite yet because I don't have a farm. Fishing trash into resources. Okay, I can make my own wild seeds. That seems like a not that great of a resource, but so preserve jars and yeah, I want to make a preserve jar and hopefully a recycling machine and a crab pot. So I need four iron and then a bunch of the other stuff. Ooh, looks like we'll get our 4 iron right away. Not really all of our coal. I mean, it's good. I have a decent amount. I do not have a lot of wood. Can make that right now, though. I'd rather have the preserve jar first, though. So. Axe. I need to cut down some stuff. I'd prefer to cut down the smaller trees that take 5 hits. Good, even though, well, now I think about it, they're not really that great. I thought they gave 5 lumber. But oh well. Cool, we got some blue jazz. So we get to see how much strawberries sell for. Good. And see how often that strawberries regrow. Yeah, let's sell that. Let's build a preserve jar. Let's see, where can I put this? Really, I can't put you out here? Okay. There we go. And let's put our raspberries in there. Cool, now I wonder how many days that's going to take. Probably forever. Cool, so we got 1. Now I need a bunch of wood and iron. What's that? I thought I planted all potato seeds there. So yeah, I'm looking for wood. I need a better axe. This is what it comes down to, I think. But, so pretty much what's going to end up happening is... So on day 27 is when I can officially harvest my potatoes. So on day 27 I'll harvest potatoes. And then I'll have a surplus of money that night, so day 28. And then I won't really have anything coming in day 28 to 20 or to the 1st. Just kind of sad, but I thought that dwarven scroll would have given me something special. Sad day. Let's just see how Clint's doing, just cause Yeah, so I don't know what I want to do today. I have to talk to Lewis. I have to find Lewis and talk to that motherfucker. Um, cause he owes me 500 gold. Lemaire's house, Mayor Manor. I do think Lewis is the mayor, right? I don't remember per se. Yeah, because I need to get a surplus of money during the summer. Ah, Philly Duck, so you helped us with our slime problem. Thank you. I hope it didn't go through too much trouble. I know it could be really hard to get that sticky slime out of your clothes. I've definitely ruined a few good pairs of pants trying to catch those little wigglers. I can remember Papa going into a rage after I got aquamarine slime all over my brand new dress pants. Well, anyways, enjoy your reward. Thanks for the 510 gold, dude. A lot of money. Nothing. Nothing. It doesn't want me. I'm kind of cute. Well, okay, so here's one thing. I'm an idiot for this. When I was like whining about not being able to go through there, and then I realized that's why. But I wonder if this hatchet can knock down trees. It just takes forever. And the same with like stumps. Can it knock down stumps? It just takes forever. Things I think I'm gonna find out relatively soon. Cool, I can. Ooh, and look at that. We got cool. Your axe isn't strong enough to break that lab. Oh, so it tells us. Okay, that's I'm surprised, to be honest. Thought it was gonna be one of those like trial and error things. Like, oh, sorry. And I do want to keep planting trees because I do want them constantly growing. But the same with his. Yeah. Okay, so it seems as though it's just mostly tree stumps and stuff like that that I can't really cut down. Cool. Look at all that wood. Dude, I wish I would have known this earlier. I would have been cutting shit down way fast, or way sooner. Good, give me all of that wood. So I do need wood for the community center as well. Yeah, I'm not sure if I necessarily want to do that or what I want to do with that. Ooh, that's cauliflower. I don't know if it's going to be done. It might be. I can put it in my collection in the community center. And I do think I'm going to use all of this sap for fertilizer. Because, well, fertilizer is good. I mean, yeah. Fertilizer is good. It gives me a higher chance of better quality stuff, so I don't see why not. Oh boy. Ooh, another preserve jar. How much coal do I have? 10 though. Ooh, that could be a problem. Well, I'm going to put the recycling machine over here. And the lobster pot I have to go carry. Oh, decision time. Do I make another preserve jar? Yeah, fuck it. Money's more important. And I can always mine more if I need it. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Although coal is a little finicky if you think about it. I really can't mine it, per se. Oof. What am I gonna do? Okay. Need a lobster pot. You know, oh, and here's another fun one. How much energy do I have? 33? Okay. I want some recycled junk. Come on! You know you want to. I hope driftwood works in here. Please tell me what driftwood works in here. Hey, I hope that doesn't take like terribly long. Alright, and I need to get a lobster pot. I'm going to put the lobster pot in the beach. Just seems like the smartest idea. Like on the beach, well, in the water. I guess it would be. Not going to be in the beach. But I think that's the best place to put it for now to get enough items. Yeah, I just thought about, I need about 500 wood right now. I need 300 for the bridge, and then I need 200 for the community center. Holy shit. So much. I should go talk to my boo thing, Abigail. Hey girl, how you doing? Do 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 do. Alright, cool. Really? I only need one? Oh god. I needed like a lot of bait in there. Oh jeez. I guess if you had multiple lobster pots, you'd be pretty good. Yeah, so I think day 21 is basically up. I mean, there's not a whole lot more I can do. Yeah, I mean, that's basically that. Pretty excited that I got preserve jars already. Stuff like that. I really, really want to keep playing, but I do need to go to bed, unfortunately. But yeah, yeah. Ooh, what is that? Is that coal? Did you give me a piece of coal already? In the game. Can I just fish in here? That work? Oh, shit. Oh god, that would have been bad. Come on. Cool, a broken CD. So, that is cool. I like that. I mean, I don't like fishing and getting crap, but that's pretty cool. Where's my dog? Oh, cool. I didn't know about that. Where's El Doggo? Oh, that's a decorative ball. Okay. Put you on the ground. Okay, well, cool. So yeah, that's gonna be it for day 21. Well, is it? Yeah, I don't think I'm getting any money today. I don't think well, I put in strawberries. Foraging! Oh, dude! Cool. So we can get a tree tapper. Guessing that's to get the maple syrup or whatever. I don't know. But we're gonna see how much strawberries give us. 240. Oh, dude. So this is going to be really weird because right now, if you think about it, for the first strawberry, you're getting 20 gold for that very first strawberry. Interesting. I'll just have to figure out how often it grows. But anyways, that's it for day 21, spring year 1. I guess I should say that. Day 21, because day 21 could be a lot of different things. You know, it could be a separate month, another year. Anyways, that's the end of day 21 of spring year 1, as it says at the top. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again for day 22 of spring year 1. But that's it for me now. Bye! Philly Duck here. Thank you for watching my latest video of Stardew Valley. If you like this video, smack that like button and get subscribed so you get notified when the next one is available. To follow me on other platforms, look at the links in the video description. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy my Stardew Valley series. Bye for now!